when you're doing your math center activity where you have the triangles that have some addition and subtraction, mixed numbers on there, and then the answers, some of those did get a little hard. So I'm going to show you some tricks and tips on how to get those. First off, I just suggest do the ones that you know for sure, find the answers and match them up. But there were a few on there that you have to borrow, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So there's one question on there. It's 8 4/8 minus 6 7/8. Now you're going to look at it and say, well, the denominators are the same. It's 8. So, all right, I got that part. 8. Oh, but look it, I can't do 4 minus 7, right? Okay, this is when your knowledge comes in, or your background knowledge from other things that you know. What do you think you could do with that? I'll give you a second. Or you could pause. I'm going to work with this right here. I'm going to do something with that number. Now, I know that if I borrowed from this, I could make that a 7, correct? So if I made that a 7, I have one whole that I can contribute to this fraction here. So I know that the one whole I took out of there is actually the fraction 8/8. So if I did that, I would have 8/8 plus this part now too, because I have to add that to it. And I know that my denominators will stay the same, but now 8 plus 4, I end up with 12/8. Can I do 12 minus 7? Sure. So now my whole problem actually changed. So I'm going to erase my 8 4/8, and I'm going to make it 7 12/8. That's a little more manageable now because I can now do 12 minus 7, which is 5. And my big number, 7 minus 6, is 1. So your answer, I just gave you a freebie, so you better get that one right, is 1 5/8. So you might come upon some of those that aren't going to work out, but use your knowledge that you know about fractions and mixed numbers and how things are all interconnected, and use that. I don't expect you to know this, but I want you to at least try and attempt them. Good job.